Okay, let's go over your animals. What sound does a rabbit make?
Hop.
What sound does a puppy make?
Oh, riff.
What sound does a kitty make?
Meow.
What about a tiger?
Roar.
What about a dino?
Tail. Roar.
Can you say dinosaur?
That's on.
Yeah. What sound does a horse make?
Nay.
What sound does a goat make? What sound does a sheep make?
Bah.
What about a cow?
Cow. Moo.
Yeah. Now, what sound does a pig make?
Oink.
Say it again. Oink. Good job, buddy. What about a kitty?
Kitty. Meow.
Yeah. What about a bunny?
Boy.
Bunnies? Rabbits? What does a rabbit say?
Hop.
Good job. What does an elephant say? What about a crocodile?
Girl.
And an alligator?
Girl.
Rawr, rawr. Okay, last one. What sound does a bird say? Oh, wait, one last more. What sound does an owl say? Can you say it again? What sound does an owl say?